Look, there you go. Like you just can't see something over here in the distance. I'm done with you.
Come on, finish it.
Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I have my daughter Xavier. If you guys are not familiar with her, this is my child.
I am the spawn.
She has been on several of my videos before, but it's been a long time since she's been on any videos. She has started working now. She's an adult. And you know how that goes. You gotta pay your bills, you gotta work, you gotta save your money. So it's hard to get her on a schedule where I can go ahead and record with her. I asked you guys months and months ago on a community tab if you guys wanted to see me changing my daughter into me. I did do this same video maybe 2 years ago, like when my other channel, long story short, my other channel got deleted. I still don't know why. I will link up the description about that up here. You guys want to check that out. Anyway, I had a video of her where I changed her into me on that old channel. Of course, the footage is gone. I still have pictures. If I can find them, I'll pop them up on the screen somewhere here so you guys can see. I wanted to go ahead and try this again. She and I do look a lot alike. Sometimes it's sort of scary how much alike we look. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this face that I have on now on her. I will make sure to link that up here somewhere for you guys if you want to check out the full tutorial on how I did this look. But I will, of course, link all the products in the description box below if you guys want to check anything out. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go ahead and get started. Yeah. Yeah.
I knew you were up and like dressed yesterday because I could smell your perfume from my room. Like, this bitch is up. And she's ready to go. I feel like when you grab the back of my neck like that, you're just gonna... That's a lot.
Huh?
You're professional.
Tan.
Oh, wow. Wow. Professional.
The music, not because of your cussing.
He pulled my head right back.
Dude, calm down.
I'm trying to help you, motherfucker.
You motherfucker!
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask you what's going on?
I'm pissed because you go over town.
In my face. In my face. Okay, so I can't do her eyebrows from the side, so y'all gonna have to check out some of my brow tutorials to see what I'm doing with her brows. I'll link those up here, but yeah. Hold a car.
Whore.
Okay, so I'm just working on her eyebrow, building up an arch that she doesn't have because she has really straight eyebrows, which I absolutely love, but she doesn't have a natural arch. So put a little arch there and then a little concealer below. That's just a little check-in real quick because we're working on the other brow. Ah. What is going on?
What?
I'm
like struggling. I'm really struggling right now.
Let me go change my pants.
I'm literally gonna be done in like 5 minutes.
I can't make it 5 minutes right now. I'm struggling.
Okay, everybody, she is done. I think it's pretty close. What do you say? My twin. Yeah, it's just weird seeing her with all this makeup on because she never wears this much makeup.
I look fucking good, don't I?
Okay, everybody, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.
Oh God.
Take that out.
Look this way. No, this way.
See if I can get you a little.
Oh shit. I don't even look like me.
Duh. You look like me.
I don't even look like you.
I'm done with you.
Come on, finish it.